Misty Wren.
We are very blessed to have everybody here this morning to celebrate the opening of our courtyard. This courtyard took us a little time to get together. We had families, vested families that we have here at the preschool have helped us make this come true. We fundraised all last year. I can't even say enough of how wonderful our families are here at the preschool. They have helped us to make this dream come true. Throughout our curriculum, we do talk about community helpers. We have our fire department who comes out, the police station. We have many members from the community that will stop in and talk to our children about being a community helper. So it gave us and inspired us to create a community within our community. So we were blessed to have Vanessa Campbell come out and Nancy come out and help us put this dream true for us on our walls. We're super excited about having our families come out and be able to experience it. As our children do ride their bikes through, we feel they're going to be driving through the city of Upland because this is our little community that we have. As they're driving through, they will get to see their school, our First Presbyterian Church. They will get to see the gazebo of downtown Upland that many of our families do get to visit at all the events. They'll drive by our library, our city hall. We do have our post office. They will come around the bend where we have our fire station and our cool little fire truck down there. Then they will come by our hospital. We have our police station, which one of our police officers this morning had the pleasure of riding. Thank you. Coming through, we have our little neighborhoods, and then they will end up right here in the city of LA as they come into our stop sign. So it kind of gives them a little feel of this is their own community as they're driving through and enjoying and exploring throughout their outside time.